Hello friends, welcome to chapter number 32. In this chapter we learn transform property in CSS. So let's start coding. Firstly, here I am typing div and inside div I am giving a ID to it and the ID I am giving is div1 and now copy it two times more. And change the ID into div2 and div 3. Okay, now here in style type hash div capital D div1 like this. Okay, now give the style to it width. Width I want is 500 pixel and then height I want is 400 pixel. Okay, now here in div1 I am typing div1 rotate. Now in the second div I am typing div2 translate. And now in div3 I am typing scale. Okay. Now here in style tag copy this div tag coding two times and change the div1 into div2 and in div3. Okay. So let's the output first. Go to file explorer, data means go to the location of your file where you saved it. I saved here and now here is the div but it does not have any color so we can't see it. Background color I want here something like pink, dark or shade, and for the second div I want something like dark red, this one fire. And now in the third div I want the background color of something like green, so it's forest green. I want this one. Now see, let's type br tag after each div so that there will be one line space. Okay, now we have to give here text align center like this, and now copy it and paste it in the other two divs also. Now let's style this 3 div with transform rotate, transform translate and transform scale. So let's see the output of this coding which we do right now. See, we have to bring this text here, so let's type here line height and type the height here 400 pixel. See, now it is in center, so do this like the two other divs. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay. Now friends, for the first div, type here transform, and inside transform type rotate, this one, and here type the how many degrees you want to rotate the first div, like 50 degree. See, or 360 degree, so it will be come like this, 180 degree, 90 degree. So like this you can use transform rotate. So now let's style this two divs also. Type transform in the second div like this and choose translate. Is translate and type here 20 pixel comma 20 pixel. Now see how it comes. See one more time. If I type here 30 or 50, 100 pixel, then 20 pixels, means here's some gap. Why it is? It is because I typed 100 pixel here. So this is a 100 pixel gap. Let's type 200 here. Now see, from top it has a gap of 200 pixel and comma 300 pixel. See, so you can do this like this. First comes the left side and then top side, then right side and then the bottom side. So you can change it. Now in the third div tag, type here transform and then scale, this one, and type 0.5 comma 2 pixel and save it. Now this will be the see one time output. Now first let's make this 50 pixel. Okay, now this is div 3 and his like this. Now see, the width of this div is 0.5 and the height is 2. Like we typed here. If I typed here 1 comma 1, then it will be a square. See, if I typed here 3 comma 3, see how big it is. Now here we have to type Now see here is the third div and here is the second div because I typed here 2000 pixel means it will come down to 1000 pixel. So we can do it to 1600 pixel. So friends, okay, this will be 100 pixel and type here translate because I changed the order. Scale, type here div 2 and this div 3. Now see, okay, so friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye friends.